Hey YouTube. So I bought myself the Swag Bandsaw portaband saw holder cutter, and I did a little modification to the side to put a switch on it instead of using the foot switch or whatever. I'll show you what I did. Alright, so you got the bandsaw here. Take the little screw out. Set the bandsaw down. And then on the side, this is usually what, all metal. I cut this little thing out on my plasma table. And then I was able to get one of these switches, which is the same switch in my Harbor Freight grinding wheel bench grinder. The switch went out on that, so I bought a couple, and I'm like, oh, look at that, would be perfect. So I put that in there, and then I had a foot pedal switch, which I took the wiring off of that and cut it. So it was 3 wires, one's the ground. So I just cut the ground off. They just had it grounded to it was a plastic foot pedal, so they had it ground to a metal bracket which touched nothing. So basically useless. Not to mention the plug on this is it's nothing else is gonna touch it, so I can switch this over here. So I'll just, and then you can hook these up any way you want. So there's only 2. Got that. And then I 3D printed some boxes, tapped them to 1/4-20. Made a little relief hole for the wire to kind of pinch through it, and then that'll keep out the stuff. And that kind of come up this way, and it'll push through one wire really nice. Pretty much grabs on. Stick this back up here. Okay. And then it's kind of like a typical piece of equipment. Instead of clicking on a foot pedal or something, it's just. So that's my little thing. If you guys are interested in it, I can 3D print you a box, and maybe like a pattern to drill it out so it's the same size. You probably, unless you have a CNC plasma cutter, I could send you the, you know, specs and you just write up a little program. But otherwise I can 3D print like a template, just trace it out and drill it, and then, you know, put it whatever. And then when I highballed it up, I kind of went with the switch center with the Swag logo, and then center between the Swag logo and the outside edge, and it worked out really nice. And then I used some 1/4 Allen wrench Allen heads. So, and I think they're like 1/2 inch to 5/8 long. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you like it. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.